Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get this animated face, or I would say the dynamic man face. How can you get this face in Roblox? So if you want to do animation face or face tracking, you need to get this main face or a dynamic face or dynamic head. How can you get this face in Roblox? So I'm going to guide you in this video. So before starting guys, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. So let's start the video. First of all, guys, you have to open a roblox.com on your browser. Once you open, now go to settings, or you have to go to avatar instead of setting. Setting, you have to go to head and body and go to style. Now you can see that I have already equipped this face. So to equip this face, you have to go to head and body and style. But before that, you need to get these heads in your inventory. So how can you get this? You have to search for dynamic heads. So these heads comes with dynamic faces, and so you can choose it. When you search it, it will open like this. And now you have to filter by going into head and all head. Or let me go back to, so instead of searching dynamic head, search by dynamic. And in the price, you have to choose this low to high if you want to get these three heights. And once you choose this, now if you scroll down, you will see these faces. This is a women face. And if you want to get the man face, you can get it here. This man face, just click on it. And it's free of cost, guys. You just need to click on the get button. So I've already owned this item. So you just need to click on here, somewhere here, the get button, and just get this into the inventory. And when you get this item into inventory, just go to start. So basically, this face has animation features. So whenever you hover over the face of the avatar, it blinks the eyes. And if you talk and if you enable the microphone, it will start tracking your voice as well. I'll show you. Let me just, so you can see, you just need to go to head and body and go to style. So in style, basically, you are going to get this. So in style, you will get these faces or these heads, dynamic heads. So you have to choose or equip this, and you can see this. The icon next on the left bottom uh, shows that it is an animated face. And once you choose this, you just need to open the game that supports communication, camera, and the microphone. And you can see it start blinking. Once you enable the microphone in the background, now you will see that it will start tracking my voice as well. And so you to get this feature, guys, you need to choose this face or a face that is then dynamic or an animated face to get this feature. So you can see. So yeah, that's how you can get it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.